ChatGPT, also known as the Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is built on the Transformer neural network architecture and is trained on a massive dataset of internet text, making it capable of understanding and generating a wide range of human language. The model is pre-trained, meaning that it has already learned patterns in the training data and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks with a smaller dataset. The main feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. This is done by using a technique called auto-regression, where the model is given a prompt and asked to generate a continuation of the text. The model uses the patterns it learned during pre-training to generate text that is similar to the training data. The more the model is fine-tuned for a specific task, the more accurate and specific the generated text will be. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, and dialogue generation. It's also popularly used in chatbots and virtual assistants, which can answer questions or have a conversation with a human. It's also used in language understanding, text classification, and other language-based applications. Content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality, engaging content such as articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. This can save businesses time and resources by automating the content creation process. Code generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate code based on natural language input. For example, a developer could describe the functionality they want in plain language, and ChatGPT would generate the corresponding code in a specific programming language. This can save developers time and effort, and also make programming more accessible to people without a strong coding background. Customer service. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service chatbots to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. This can improve the overall customer experience and reduce the workload for human customer service representatives. Queue systems. ChatGPT can be used to build queue systems that can answer a wide range of questions on a particular topic. This can be useful for businesses and organizations that want to provide quick and accurate answers to frequently asked questions without the need for human intervention. Sentiment analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze text and determine the sentiment behind it, positive, negative, or neutral. This can be useful for businesses and organizations to understand customer feedback and make data. Language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it easier for businesses to communicate with customers and partners in different countries. Virtual writing assistant. ChatGPT can be used to assist writers, journalists, researchers, and other professionals with tasks such as research, writing, editing, and formatting. One major limitation of ChatGPT is its tendency to generate biased or nonsensical text. This is because the training data it is based on may contain biases, and the model may not always be able to distinguish between appropriate and inappropriate responses. For example, if the training data contains offensive language or stereotypes, the model may generate text that perpetuates these biases. Additionally, ChatGPT is trained on a wide range of internet text, which can include inaccurate, offensive, or irrelevant information. This can lead to the model generating text that is not suitable or relevant to the task at hand. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that has the ability to generate human-like text. It's based on the GPT-3 architecture and is trained on a massive dataset of internet text, making it capable of understanding and generating a wide range of human language. However, it also has some limitations, such as its tendency to generate biased or nonsensical text, difficulty in controlling the level of specificity or creativity in the generated text, its inability to understand the context or underlying meaning of the text it generates. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool when used for specific natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and dialogue generation. It's also popularly used in chatbots and virtual assistants, which can answer questions or have a conversation with a human. We encourage you to try out ChatGPT for yourself and see the capabilities and limitations of the model. Keep in mind that when using ChatGPT, it's always a good idea to have a human check the generated text to ensure it's appropriate and relevant for the task at hand. Additionally, to mitigate the limitations of ChatGPT, consider fine-tuning the model on a specific task with a smaller dataset and be aware of the context and underlying meaning of the generated text.